Good morning guys, my name is Marwa, and if it's your first time to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. I can see myself right here. This is because this is a glass, you see. It's a glass or it's a window, so it makes my reflection right there. But you can see how I'm vlogging, how I'm holding the camera. Yeah, that's how I make videos. Anyway, I'm in a beautiful Mombasa, very beautiful, and that's how Mombasa looks like. And I'm really sorry, man, my drone broke down when I arrived in Africa, so I can't really show you good things about Kenya using my drone. I really feel so bad because one of the motors, you know, the wing has a motor. One of the motor has a problem, so my drone can't fly. But this is the beautiful Mombasa from right here, as you can see. That's a beautiful Mombasa, beautiful, really cute Mombasa. That's all I can try to show you as for now. And we are living in this house. It looks really vintage, and it looks really vintage, but inside it looks very cute and nice. And it's very early in the morning here. It's around 7 actually, and I just woke up. I'm in my Airbnb, and this is how a 20, okay, say 20 if you are British English, and if you are you speak American English, you say 20 or 22 US dollar Airbnb cost in Kenya or in Mombasa, Kenya. Actually, the prices here are relatively the same in Nairobi or any other big cities. So let me take you a tour to this $20 Airbnb, Kenya. All I need is you, baby. So let me take you a tour to this $20 Airbnb, Kenya. So I think all you can see is a beautiful bed, very cute bed. So you can see, it's a good size bed actually. But I should tell you, I've been sleeping here for 3 days, so it's in a mess. Yeah. And here you have a small place you can cook. Not really cook, but wash your stuff, maybe fruits. Like me, I was eating fruits here, and I bought some stuff here in those, and I also have my, you know, then here I have my water. Here they have like cups, I've used some. Okay, then we have if you want to warm your food, you have your microwave right here, and also here if you got some drinks or stuff, you can keep it right there. You can see you got it, all that. Okay, then here we have 2 switches. So we have one which controls that. So if I turn this off, you can see what is happening right there. It's going slow. Yeah, until it stops. That's because I'm controlling this switch. And this one is for the lighting right there. That's the lights. Okay, so you know Mombasa is really hot. Mombasa is really hot. That's why you see me like in a very short sleeves shirt. That's because Mombasa is really hot, so you always have to feel very warm. And now they have this right here to cool you down, but they don't have the icy, you know, the one that cools the house. But it's relatively okay. I'm not seeing any problem. Yeah. And then here we have the bathroom. I'm trying to turn on the lights. Yeah, we have the bathroom right here. So yeah, the water is running, as you can see. See, the water is running, and we have the bathroom right here, and all the disinfectors right there. And if you wanna take a shower, you can take right here shower, and that's all you can see here. And the big difference between this toilet is that in Latin America, they always have a small container where you throw your tissue right here. You know, this tissue paper. Yeah, after you use it, you don't put it in the toilet, or you don't flush it. So what you do is There's a small container, they always have it at the corner. All Latin American countries, I'm talking about Brazil, Colombia, Mexico, even in the US, other parts of the US, other parts, not all, but other parts. Yeah, especially where people have grown from the Latin culture. So you have to throw that tissue paper outside. So that's the Airbnb of $20. $22 actually, $22. Yeah, $22. It's really beautiful. The bed is really nice, and you can see from yourself. It's for two people, okay, two people. $20 Airbnb in Mombasa, Kenya. That's my review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any other further questions, please feel free to ask me. And this is how the outside looks like. So where we started the video, you have your own balcony right here. Yeah, but it's funny because let me show you. I don't know, you see my neighbors there? We have something right there, yeah. The dustbin is in a mess. You know why? Because there are a lot of monkeys around here. Like yesterday when I came, I got my dustbin was in a mess, like same as my neighbors. That's because there are lots of monkeys jumping around here all the time, and you'll see them running, coming to the house. So if you keep things in your house, ensure you lock your door or the windows. And the good thing about this Airbnb is it has Wi-Fi. There's Wi-Fi right there. You see that? So I'm able to upload my videos. I'm able to do everything. Just chill, you know. Yeah. You know, sometimes people think like Africa is really like behind and people are dying. There are two sides of Africa. Living like this, where it's purely normal to any other country which is developed, and there's the other side of Africa where really people are really suffering, and that's how it is. Actually, that's how it is. Yeah, my name is Marwa, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share to your friend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Take care. And actually, if you want to download an Airbnb application, please click in the link below. There's an exclusive link from me. So if you download the app from there, man, you'll be supporting me in a way. I'll be getting some small coins from you downloading that app and using it. Actually, not just downloading it, but the next time you travel and you use it, I'll get something. Bye for now. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye. Mombasa, Kenya. More videos are coming. Yeah, more videos are coming about Mombasa, Kenya. More videos are coming.